Aloha, I'm Osatui, President of the Hawaii State Teachers Association, where I'm here with 71 in-person delegates and 10 virtual delegates for the National Education Association's Representative Assembly here in Chicago, Illinois. Here at the NEA RA, we bring our voices to thousands in the room where we make policy and set the direction for NEA. We talked about ending gun violence, safe, just, and equitable schools. We celebrated leaders like Millie from Illinois Intermediate, who was awarded from our Human and Civil Rights Department for her work with menstrual equity. Some of the highlights were Vice President Harris came to visit with us and gave us a moving speech about what we need to do going forward, the strength of NEA. Jody Kunimitsu from our Maui chapter, she is chair of the Asian Pacific Islanders Caucus, and they're bringing things forward to this national audience to make sure that those voices are heard as well. Our delegates are coming away renewed in spirit with everything that's going on in our country. We have to remain vigilant and continue to fight.
Having been to state convention, I thought I knew what to expect, but it's quite different when you see the thousands of people from around the country all gathered together.
Being able to have a voice at this representative assembly and seeing so many of my colleagues involved in the policy making and the decision making from Hawaii has really been impactful to me.